Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we got this cool mineral right here, and basically what these are some laundry scent booster beads. If you can see the one that we got right here from this brand, and this is the common version of lavender and vanilla. If you see in the front, if you see in the bottom, that is basically what the product looks like. If you guys take a look at the back, they probably got some information to teach you guys how to use it. So all you need to do is pour a little bit onto the cover or the cap, and then once you guys do that, you have to roll it inside your washer. And it is safe for you guys to use it for any kind of washing machines. And if you guys are curious about what the benefit of using this product, it's supposed to help you guys keep like your laundry and everything very fresh when you guys do use it. And when you guys do use the product, you guys can still use detergent on there to actually wash your clothes. So in my case, I'll mostly be using like the Tide Pods, which I'll show you guys in a second. So like I mentioned, the one that we got right here is a lavender and vanilla bean scent. They also have this available in other scents as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which scent you guys prefer. But first, I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like inside before I should test it out. Alright, so once you guys open up, there's a lid right here. And you guys want to open this part here as well. And once you guys open it, you can definitely smell the scent that's on here is actually really strong. You can definitely smell like the vanilla bean and also the lavender scent on here. I don't want to talk too much, but if you guys look carefully inside, that is basically what the product looks like. It actually has a very strong scent on here, so I can totally see how well it can work if I do use it for my laundry. And you do have the option to pour it however much you guys need. So if you want more or less, that is up to you guys. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go test this out to show you guys how it works, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so first thing, let me actually pour a little bit in here first, and then we'll add it into the actual washer. Alright, so I think I'll add that much. So now let's put it into the actual washer. Alright, so let's add it in. Once you guys do that, you guys can add in like your detergent and etc. So in this case, I'm gonna add in the Tide Pod. So here is basically what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna add in 2 of them in. So this is basically what the inside looks like. Now let's add it in. So we'll put it inside right there, and we'll close the lid and just let it do its own thing and come back and check on it. Alright, so let's turn it on. So if you guys look carefully inside, you can definitely see all the beads in there, and you can definitely see the Tide Pod working as well. So you kind of see how the beads are kind of melting as well. But I'm gonna let it do its own thing and come back and check on it once it's done. Alright, so we just finished. Let's see what it actually smells like and what it actually looks like once we're done. Alright, so once we finish, you can definitely smell like that lavender scent that's on here. But I'm actually take everything out and put it in the dryer and then see what it actually smells like afterward inside. Alright, so once we take everything out, if you guys smell the inside, you can definitely smell like the lavender and vanilla bean inside. They do mention how it should last you guys for quite a long time, like a few weeks. But I probably have to use it over time and see what happens. And I think all the beads melted or something, so if you guys want to add more next time, you probably can. But I've been seeing the product definitely does work if you guys do use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. Obviously, you guys won't be able to smell it unless you guys use it yourself. But when I do use it, I notice my clothes definitely smells a lot better. Based on what they mentioned on the product, it should give you guys a freshness of like around 12 weeks. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to freshen up the laundry when you guys are actually washing it, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want, or don't need one, or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.